Setting things up before creating your first email marketing campaign. Before creating your first email marketing campaign, let's take a closer look at some tools you should be using. Facebook.com. Facebook is a wonderful tool. It allows you to reach your audience very well. To succeed in this platform, you should do these things. 1. Post video continually. In social media, video posts are preferred. It has huge reach in different industries. All you need to have is good lighting and a smartphone. 2. Set up saved audiences. For targeting a specific niche, use saved audiences. It's really convenient. Custom audiences can be created based on set parameters, which allows you to advertise to specific groups, thus making sure your content goes to the right target. Reddit.com. This site is different than other sites because it's not about friendships. Reddit's visitors usually engage with things that are unique, interesting, or funny. This is a free and open sharing site. Some subjects that do very well on Reddit are worldwide religion and politics, heartwarming personal stories full of challenges, obscure facts about educational sites related to history, comics, food, fitness, video games, technology, science, music, art, and photography. Take notes from these samples so you can make your website content more unique, suitable, and progressive, thus giving you the best odds on Reddit. Pinterest.com. As a marketing tool, Pinterest isn't a site for scrolling through nice pictures. It's a huge search engine that has more than 150 million monthly active users. Guess who uses Pinterest the most? Women. On Pinterest, 79% of all users are female. This is great because women love to shop. Compared to other social media sites, Pinterest gets more than 41% of the e-commerce traffic. On this site, boards can be classified by genre, theme, or product type. Business accounts can display their showcase feature, which is a rotating gallery. It's a good idea to have your most popular boards in your showcase. With Pinterest, you can reach an entirely new audience for both sales and recruiting. If you commit just an hour a day to Pinterest, you will start seeing results. Google Trends. Trends.google.com/trends. Google Trends can help you discover new ideas for products to sell on your website. Also, you can monitor your popularity and your competitors. The News Headlines feature lets you monitor popularity in conjunction with news stories, whether good or bad. Mailzingo.com. Mailzingo will help you generate leads and provide great inbox delivery, among others. It is definitely a powerful email marketing software. You can send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers, generate more leads from any WordPress blog or e-commerce site, and get emails delivered straight to inboxes. Aweber.com. Aweber allows you to use interactive emails to engage subscribers. Interactive emails, when used correctly, can be translated into increased click-through rates and email engagement. These interactive emails contain elements that subscribers can interact and engage with. It means that the elements can change because of clicking.